All right, welcome back. We're going to go over how to start a chat session with someone in Microsoft Teams here and what all you can do within a chat, how you can send files and stuff like that if you want to. Now, the Teams section, you can go and send messages and things like that. In these different teams and channels, and everyone in there will see those messages that you send. Everyone in that team or in that channel, wherever you send it. So if you just want to talk to a specific person, kind of like you're just sending an individual email, or just send one file to someone or something like that, you don't want to add it for the whole team or channel to see. You can do that by going to your chat section over here on the left in Microsoft Teams. So from here, you can see I have a chat already going, but if I want to start a new chat, I can just click the pencil up here. You can see you can type in the person's name or email and they'll pop up in a list and you can click on them. You can search by the person's name to see your chats that's already pop up if you have a long list here and you don't want to scroll through and try to find them or things like that. Or you can just go ahead and click on a chat you've already started and you can go ahead and just start typing and send them a message, very much just like you would send a text message, right? But you can use this as a different way of sending an email, basically, so you can have a one-on-one conversation with this person, and you can do a bunch of different things here. Down at the bottom, you can adjust the format. That's the text if you want to make it bold, whatever. Adjust some of the alignment stuff. You can click on delivery options, and you can say this is standard message, or it's a important message, or it's an urgent message, right? That gives you kind of a few different options there to send. The next option here is you can attach a file just like you would in an email, either from OneDrive if that's what you use, or you can just upload a file from your computer. If you click on that, you get this box that'll pop up that should look familiar, and you can go ahead and find whatever you need and click on it and send it if you want to. You'll see it'll take a second to load. And you can attach a message with it if you want to and send it off. And the other person will be able to see that file, no matter what you sent, be able to download it or anything like that. It'll also get organized into the file section up here in this tab. So if you click on that, you can see all the files that have been set back and forth by you or by the other person in this individual chat. Also from here, you can just automatically upload and share a file, or you can send it in the message like we did before. There's a few other things you can send: emojis or GIFs or stickers. And then up here over on the right, you can start a video call with this person, an audio call with this person all over on your computer. You can share your screen with this person if you want to. You can add people to this conversation if you want to, so you can have multiple people in this chat. You can even click the pop-out button there, which is this little square with the arrow. And you can see this pop-out message board is now here. So even if I, minimize Teams or stuff, I have my own little window here with just this conversation going on. So I can go and do other things on my computer. I can even resize the box. I can go do other things and it'll still be here kind of in its own separate thing. So I don't have to keep going back to it in Teams here. And even in Teams, I can go and jump around and do other things and jump to different teams and channels. And I still have this separate window here of that chat if I want it, where I can do pretty much all the same things I could before for the most part. And then you can also close it. You can also go back to chat and see your messages. You'll also should get a notification if someone sends you a message. So that's kind of the basics of the chat functionality that is in Microsoft Teams. It's a great way instead of emailing. It's a little easier, especially if Microsoft Teams is what your company is using. Some people prefer that you just do it all through Teams like this instead of sending them individual emails. That way they can just focus in one program here where they can get all the stuff that they need. And again, you can send files and anything like that this way as well. Hopefully this video helps, and if it does, go ahead and leave a like down below and subscribe to the channel to get more videos like this one on how to make technology work better for you. Thanks.